From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, active showers and thunderstorms ongoing right now and more on the way later on tonight. Couple of inches of rain in the mix, and we can't rule out severe weather, although a low-end risk. So let's get to it. First off, though, as we look at the water vapor imagery, yet again, another storm system setting up on the west coast, already impacting the Pac Northwest and eventually California, Intermountain West. We have another upper level low here and a busy subtropical jet stream. In fact, what we're watching right now is a little bit of a disturbance that is rolling through Mexico and across Texas, and eventually is going to deliver some atmospheric energy to our part of the world, although that imagery didn't show up here. But we do see some active storms across Texas, even a severe thunderstorm warning right now. This disturbance is going to be igniting more storms across our area tonight. Now, we do have a old frontal boundary draped across the area, and it was relatively quiet until a couple hours ago, and then we started to see showers and storms forming up. It's been more active over eastern Louisiana. But here in Acadiana, you can see there's a little bit of a hot spot that's developed with a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning with the storm that's in St. Martin Parish, and we'll get to that in just a bit. But we have some strong storms down by Cameron Parish, across the Jeff Davis Parish line, right along Acadia Vermilion, with some cloud-to-ground lightning showing up western Lafayette Parish, and we have activity moving through Lafayette Parish. First off, we have a cell that is right nearby the station here, approaching the cone of silence over the station. But very heavy rainfall, Broussard over towards, say, the Parks area. Again, torrential downpours here, a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning, so there might even be a little hail in this. I don't think it's going to show up on our hail tracker right here. Again, not seeing anything, but certainly some. Oh, there you go. There you go. You see a little bit of a blue there, so there may be a little pea-sized hail with this system, so we'll keep an eye on that. So don't be surprised along Highway 31 you see some pea-sized hail. Here we go with the storm system in southern Lafayette Parish, Broussard up through the airport. Just saw a wind gust of 28 miles an hour at the airport, so some gusts in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range, and there's more where that came from later on tonight. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has us hatched in for a marginal risk of an isolated severe storm that could contain some small hail and or strong winds. This is through overnight tonight, and then first thing tomorrow morning, we're still hatched in for that, but you can see storms are going to be pushing off to the east, so it's just going to be limited first thing in the morning. So let's take a look at the extended HRRR model. I think this is doing the better job with showers and storms early, and then more activity developing after midnight tonight, so rain chances going high in the 80 to 90% range through the overnight hours through first thing tomorrow morning. Then things quiet down as we head into tomorrow afternoon. It's breezy and cooler. Temperatures in the lower 70s, northeast winds gusting up to about 25. And then tomorrow night we'll be chilling down into the mid 50s. Notice plenty of lingering clouds. And then Wednesday looking better. Temperatures will approach the lower 70s for high. As for rainfall, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. We'll watch the trends and maybe have to pull in some of the predictive radar model so we can get hour by hour updates, but you can see there are going to be some spots that catch maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. Not expecting widespread flooding, but some localized street flooding and where storms repeat over the same areas certainly possible later on tonight. So temperatures leveling off in the upper 60s to lower 70s. They may drop into the mid 60s for a while tomorrow, and then lower 70s for your high, but then you can see that cooler air coming in tomorrow night, mid 50s, and again Wednesday not looking too bad. Temperatures upper 60s to near 70 degrees, so a little bit below normal there. Overnight tonight, we got that rain chance at 90%. Showers and storms redeveloping after midnight and toward daybreak tomorrow, so it's going to get a little stormy, a little loud out there at times. You'll see the rains across the area, and that's how we start the day tomorrow, with showers and storms first thing in the morning, maybe an inch or two of rain, and then as we head into the afternoon hours, things will be quieting down, but it could be a little bit active first thing in the morning. And then latest TrueView Sky model going with lingering showers up until late morning, and then maybe a little sunshine tomorrow afternoon and the birds coming back out to sing. So overnight tonight, temperatures dropping down into the 60s, 90% on your rain chances as we indicated, 70% early tomorrow, and then a couple of nice days sandwiched in between warmer weather that returns for the weekend, and it looks unsettled the weekend and beyond. And notice next week, not only do we have highs in the mid to upper 80s, but look at those overnight lows in the mid 70s, so it might feel like summer at some point going into next week. But look out for the storms tonight. We'll have more coming up later on in the show.